In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your recovery code from Hostinger in just under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in to ensure that you have a smooth experience and gain peace of mind, knowing your account is backed up with a recovery code. First up, head over to the Hostinger website by typing in the URL or by clicking on the link if it's provided in the description below. You should see the main homepage, which is all about bringing your ideas online with a new website. It's a straightforward and user-friendly platform, so let's get started. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button. It's usually positioned at the top of the page and you can't miss it. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so. Remember, if you've forgotten your password, Hostinger offers easy options to recover it. After logging in, you should be redirected to the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. The hPanel is your mission control, where you can manage all aspects of your Hostinger services. From here, you'll want to navigate to the section labelled Home. This is essentially the dashboard where you manage your account settings and other important details. Next, locate the Profile option. This is where all the personal account information is stored. Clicking on Profile will open up more options that allow you to make changes to your account as necessary. Once in your profile, look for the Security tab. Clicking this will lead you to various security settings where you can control the privacy and safety of your account. It's essential to regularly visit this section to ensure all your security features are up to date, providing the utmost protection for your digital assets. Now, find the option for two-factor authentication setup. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra level of security to your account, making it much harder for anyone to gain unauthorized access. This is also where you'll manage your recovery codes, a crucial safety net should you ever lose access. Following these steps will not only enable you to retrieve your recovery code, but will also enhance your account security. Having a recovery code is vital as it provides you with a backup way to access your account in case you encounter any issues or if you lose your primary authentication method. Be sure to note it down in a secure place. And that's it, you've successfully located the recovery code option on Hostinger by navigating through your account security settings. By keeping this code secure, you ensure that your website and data remain safe and accessible only to you. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.